Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell an Etoro. So what you want to do is when you're going to be in Etoro, I am in virtual account so you can see everything. So you can come to, like, let's say stocks, right? And I get to see plenty of stocks here, and I get to see SEMrush. SEMrush is a good company. And when I would come here, you can simply click stats, see maximal, how it's rising, etc. And what you can do is go to top right and click trade. Right here, you can buy units and you can set order only because, like, right now market is not open, but let's say that you can simply set order and buy it, and you can change the rate, like at what rate you want to buy this amount of stock of SEMrush. But let's say that I'm going to trade markets to crypto because that's opened all the time, and I get to see Bitcoin here. So I click Bitcoin, go to top right and click trade, and then you're gonna see sell and buy here. So buy, you can have amount here, how much you want to buy. You have units or amount. So if I want to buy 1 Bitcoin, that would cost me $34,000 at this point. Or you can have order, so at what rate, how much units you want to buy. So that's something you can do. And then let's say that I would buy 0.15, and that's order. And this is like virtual account, so it won't work, but let's say it would work. Then next to the buy button, you're gonna see sell button, and when you're gonna sell button, you're gonna see amount here, how much you want to sell, and you can again have order or trade. So at order, at what rate you would like to sell this amount of money. So that's something what you can do. So again, you click on a crypto, stock, whatever, you go to top right, click trade, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and you click open trade, and have a great day and goodbye.